welcome friends, welcome to the lecture series of digital electronics. So today we are going to learn about Karnaugh map examples only. So Karnaugh map examples, one topic was left and that was of don't care condition, right? So what we need to do in this don't care condition, let's understand by taking one example. That first example, it is given like this way, that y is equals to sigma m into the bracket 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15 plus, now the digits given as this way, d into the bracket 0 comma 2 comma 5. So in this condition what we need to do, that simply we are making the Karnaugh map for the 4 variables only from this main terms given on this particular question, right? So in this thing we are making a Karnaugh map for the 4 variables in this way. So first, second, third, and in this configuration like this way, this way, this way. So we are writing the values of A and B over here, A, B, and here we write C, D. So first of all we have don't care conditions. So basically for the don't care conditions, what we will do, we will make a cross on the position of that particular mean term. So then first mean term is our 0. So we will put a 0, we will put a cross on this particular mean term place. And the second is 2. So we will mark a cross over here also, and we will mark a cross at this place. So all the 3 places are marked as cross. So in this condition we are writing this thing. Now after for the other values like this way, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 15, we will put 1 onto the places of that particular min term. So here we can write 1, here we can write 1, here we can write 1. So this way it can be represented. Now for the groupism, we will do this thing. Let's understand how it can be done. I will take a different color so that you can be easily identify that what kind of group we are making into the position. So I'm taking a black ink. So for the don't care condition, we don't need to bother about this values, right? So here we are writing x1 1x, right? So in this condition I will make a quad of this all the 4 group, all these variables. So that is one quad over here, and one more quad we can make over here, that is our second quad. Then it will be representing some variables like this way, and here it will be C bar, D bar, here it will be C bar D, here it will be C D, here it will be C D bar. Same way the places will be over here, that we can write A bar, B bar, we can write A bar B over here, A B over here, and C D bar means A B bar over here. So this way it can be represented. Now if you check that for this particular value the values are changing, and for this particular quad the values are changing. So for the first group, if we can write for the first quad, for quad 1, then it can be written as this way, that it is representing C and D. For the second quad, for the quad 2, it will be representing A bar B, right? So this way it can be done. So from this we can write a Boolean equation CD plus A bar B bar. So this way the Boolean expression can be achieved, and this Boolean expression will be useful for making a logic diagram. So this way it can all be done. So here we can see that these are the regular minterms. See over here, these are the regular minterms, and these are the don't care minterms, or we can say don't care conditions, and we are entering, we are putting a cross mark on the places, right? So mind one this thing, that how we can use this don't care condition, and like this way a Karnaugh map can be drawn for the don't care condition. Similarly, both the things can be applicable to the POS term also. For the product of sum, it will be given like this way, pi m, and into the bracket some minterms will be there, 1 2 3 4, plus don't care condition 1 5. Mind one thing, that both the values over here will not be same, right? So I have written this thing, but it is not possible practically. So mind you can remember this thing. After that, if we can check further one more example, then let's understood how it can be done. We are taking one more example of this particular value. First is given as z is equals to function a b c d is equals to sigma m into the bracket 2 4 6 11 12 and 14. So this way it can be done, plus there are two don't care conditions, 3 and 10. So if we make a good Karnaugh map of this, then it can be basically represented in this way. So let's make a Karnaugh map. We are writing A, B and C, D over here, and we are putting the don't care conditions into the places of that don't care. See over here we are writing cross for the 3 term, min term third, and for the 10th min term we are writing cross, we are putting cross over here. So this way it can be done. After that, for the positions of this regular minterms, that 2, 4, 6, 11, 12 and 14. So 1 will be over here, 1, 2 ones will be over here. Now you need to remember those things, that how I can write this minterms. Okay, so you need to get it at your own. Now I have put all the ones, one more is blank over here, these two are over here. So now we are making group of this particular terms. Okay, so one group, I can say one quad is there. So first quad I can write over here at this quad, and the second quad over here. So this way it can be done. One more quad is there, it is basically making this way a quad, and only two groups are there, so we can easily identify the Boolean equation from this particular thing. So we are writing for the quad 1. So for the first quad, the variable which is not changing, that is b d bar. For the quad 2, we can write the second variable as in b bar c. So this way, and the Boolean equation can be written in this way, that b d bar plus b bar c. If we make the diagram for this, then it can be shown like this way. We are taking two variables b and d. One more is taken over here with the NOT gate. We have taken one NOT gate, and this value over here is ANDed, and it will be providing to the OR gate. The OR gate will give you one output. Here for the condition of the B bar, we are taking one more NOT gate, and this NOT gate is basically applicable to one more and it will be having input of C. Here it will be C, here it will be D, and here it will be B. So this one is D. Okay, and this output will be basically given to this OR gate. The output will be Z over here, and B D bar is taken, and over here B bar C is getting over here. So we are getting the term whichever required has been done. Okay, so like this way, don't care conditions can be done, and it should be followed, right? So this is the basic examples of don't care conditions, and like this way the don't care Karnaugh map can be made up. So after this, all of you are getting the particular idea about the Karnaugh map. So that's all for the video. And if you like my video, and if you gained some of your knowledge from this video, then do like and share my video. And if you want to if you want to see more this kind of videos, then do subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching.